Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. You can enjoy in this video about hand embroidery and crochet. So crochet embroidery keeps your fine motor skills sharp and your mind focused. Hand embroidery helps many of us focus, keeping worries and chaotic thoughts of daily life away. Improves hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills. Embroidery requires a lot of dexterity and precision, which can help to improve your hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills. This can be especially beneficial for children and people with disabilities. It provides a sense of accomplishment. When you finish a piece of embroidery, you can feel a sense of accomplishment and pride in your work. This can be very rewarding and it can help to boost your self esteem. In social hobby, embroidery can be a great social hobby. You can join embroidery groups or classes, or you can that with other embroideries online. This can be a great way to meet new people and make friends. Is a portable hobby. You can take your embroidery supplies with you wherever you go, so you can embroider in your spare time. This makes it is a great hobby for people who are on the go. This can be a fulfilling outlet for your artistic expression. So viewers, you can enjoy this video and helpful ideas. Thank you for watching.